So we have got to have a conversation. The brand new 8-inch compact series HP little chainsaw or mini chainsaw from Ryobi just came out, and the 8-inch older version, which is brushed, is on sale, $150, $50. Now between these two, is there a big performance difference? Whenever you take a look at them, there are so many different design aspects to both of them. This is obviously just a handle meant for pruning. This is more of the traditional chain style with the guard and everything else like that. And the motors and how they're placed, this is more offset, this is more in line. But that does not tell me much. Let's see what the performance difference is. My name is Brent. This is Lift Free and Tool On. Let's jump into it. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That is quick. 92 decibels for the HP. Let's start this over. 3, 2, 1. $95 decibels. All right, speed round, we're going to go for 2 full cuts. See how fast we do? Fast we do. 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to tell you, there is no comparison. The 8-inch new compact mini chainsaw or pruner, whatever you want to call it, is superior. I mean, I can even look in here and see heat sinks. Now, like I said, there is a price difference. Now, this one is typically right around $100, so if you get it off sale, this one's going to cost you $50 more. But I'm going to be honest with you, I think it's worth it, especially if you want that performance. Both oilless, both from Ryobi. This new technology, these new brushless motors, the new chips that they have in here, and the intelligence is worth it, and it proves. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. I hope that you get out there, you go build something, you make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, and then you pass it on to the next generation. Take care, everybody, and I hope to see you in the next video. See ya!